Hi guys, I would like to advise those that drive in Italy or the diaspora. Please take note of this information if you know you drive a car or if you know you are about to be taking your patente to start driving. Take note of these advices in order for you not to find yourself in a difficult situation. I would like to give three examples. The first one is when you scratch someone's car. For example, I scratched someone's car, just a little scratch, and then I was in the service. When I came out, when before I know, policemen came to call me. And when I came outside, I saw a kind of crowd where they said I scratched the car. I don't know how it happened, but when I looked at it, I saw that the color of my car was on that person's car, parking close to my car. Or in front of my car though, because I had to enter the parking space behind or in front, I can't remember. Then later what happened was that I received a letter to pay 600 and something euros, and then my insurance went up, increased. My insurance was increased. The second situation is if you have an accident, someone hit your car, take note to have that form amicevole. Make sure you have the form in your car. Tell your insurance to give you the form in case the police is taking time. But most importantly, if you don't understand how to fill the form, in case someone hits your car, make sure you wait for the police to come before you leave that place. Because being a nice person, if you make a mistake while the other person feels things wrongly, you find yourself getting 50% from the insurance, paying you 50% for that situation. Or you find yourself being at fault, recorded that you are the one that did the mistake if you don't understand how to fill the form. So make sure if you don't know how to fill that form, you wait for the Polizia Municipale to come, or I Carabinieri, any of them that are available, that they'll be able to come and see the situation. So they'll be able to help you fill the form and fill it rightly. The third one is if you know that accident, someone hit you, make sure to fill the form correctly, as I said. Make sure you try to call them, the Polizia Municipale. Make sure they fill the form correctly. And then you take the form and go give your copy to your insurance. Your insurance company will insert the request, and then they will send a peritia automobilistica, which is going to call you and ask if you found a mechanic or if you found a panabita that will handle the situation of the car and how much. It's your decision for you to find a panabita, so they will pay the panabita to do the job, or you tell them no, you don't have time. Then the peritia will come to your house or wherever you are, fix an appointment, view every situation, take the pictures of the car, and then in a week or a few days, the peritia will contact you and tell you how much they will be giving to you. Take note that it depends on the worth of your car at that moment. It also depends on the worth of your car when you hit a car that is very expensive. The more expensive the car is, the more money you are supposed to be getting. The more expensive the car you hit is, the more money you will be paying to that insurance company. So take note to drive carefully. Apart from you getting accident and getting money, your life is also important. Take note For those that just started driving, drive carefully. Take it little by little if you know you just started driving. If not, you have a lot of expenses. In order to avoid you losing your life, be careful about the way you drive. Try to learn more when you get your driver's license. Watch people on the road, how they drive. So you'll be able to learn more about the signs and the road law. Know where to enter. Know where to park your car. If not, you have a lot to spend and you stop driving. So just try to follow the law. Follow the rules. Drive carefully. It's not about you getting the money from them for an accident. What if the accident becomes a very terrible one? So just be careful and also watch others driving. Thank you very much for listening to me. And if you have any question regarding this situation, kindly write me and ask your question. Give me a thumbs up. Please share this video so a lot of people will learn something from it. For those that are already driving and for those that are driving, that just started driving, and for even those that are going for their classes that want to get their driver's license. So they will prepare themselves ahead in order to avoid unnecessary expenses and unnecessary situations. Thank you very much once again.